you made it. Here we are, step number 4 of this training series, and I am super excited about this step because this is where we actually get to work. So if you haven't had a chance, make sure you go back to step 3 and you read the comments underneath the video. Not the comments, what is it called? The description, the details underneath the video, because I've got some awesome scripts for you to use, okay? And so I'm just going to pick out one for right now just to kind of walk you through how this is going to work over the next couple of days, all right? So you should have your daily tracking sheets printed out, all ready to go. Again, all of these links are under step number 3. So let's say, for instance, we're going to start on Monday. Whatever day you decide, it does not matter. So you should have Monday printed off, you should have Tuesday printed off, and you should have Wednesday printed off. So at least 3 days worth of tracking sheets printed off and ready to go. You're writing in 10 names in each one of those days, and now you do the work. So you picked out your script that you're going to use, and you're going to start making phone calls, start sending text messages, okay? I know in this day and age, it is the era of text messages. That's how so many people respond. If you know the person well, you know them personally, and you have their phone number, that is always the best option. It really is. If you don't know them well, you don't have their phone number, you haven't built that type of relationship, then texting, if you can do it, or Facebook Messenger, private message, is going to be your best route to go, okay? So I'm going to use one of the scripts that I have, again, in step 3 as an example, and kind of walk you through how this is going to work. So here it is. It's Monday morning. It's always good if you schedule a time. Decide on what time you're going to do these, so that you actually get it done. So for me, I'm going to say that I'm going to make these calls starting on Monday, and I'm going to do it from 1 to 2 p.m. So I'm going to give myself 1 hour. Now let's be realistic. It's not going to take 1 hour. It's probably going to take less than 5 minutes, because even if they're all phone calls that I'm going to make, the chances of people actually answering the phone and talk to me is slim to none. People will probably be at work or whatever the case may be, so I'm probably just going to be leaving messages. And if you're texting, it's even less than that, because you're just going to copy and paste pretty much the same message over and over again to people. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set my time, and at 1 o'clock on Monday, I get to work. And I pull out my Monday list. I've got 10 names written down, and now I'm going to send them the script. Hi, Lisa. This is kind of random, but I have a question for you. I'm going to wait about a minute, see if she responds. If not, then that's fine, whatever. Then I'm going to say, I'm in a huge contest to earn, and right now, for me personally, and for you personally, pick something that you want to earn. I am earning a free bracelet this month, and it's super cute. If you haven't seen it, in the month of January 2020, there's a free Mary Kay bracelet you can earn with a $600 wholesale order. Maybe I'll take a picture of it and put it at the end of this video, okay? So, again, I'm texting her and I'm saying, I'm in a huge contest to earn the free bracelet for this month in Mary Kay, and in order to earn it, I need to give away 10 free facials every single week this month. I wonder if you might be adventurous enough to lend me your face. You don't have to spend a dime, and you get a $10 Mary Kay gift card, which I will double to $20 if you respond in the next 24 hours. Could you help me out? Question mark. Okay? So that's kind of how the script starts. You can finish reading it for yourself. I'm not going to insult your intelligence. You can go from there. It tells you what all to say, how to say it, all the way down to confirming the address, seeing if more friends will come. If more friends are going to come, here's the script that she can send to her friends. All of that is in the description on step number 3. Maybe I'll copy those things and I'll put them in this video too, in the description. All of it is there. So here's the deal. Make your 10 phone calls. Send your 10 text messages. Send your 10 private messages. Whatever you need to do. Okay? Just do it. And respond to every single one of them that responds back to you as quickly as possible. Then, on day number 2, you do the same thing again, only with the next group of 10 people. Day number 3, you do the same thing again, only with a different group of 10 people, okay? That's it. This is your step. This is where we get to work. So, again, show me a picture of your sheets, your 3 sheets for your first 3 days with your names all filled in, and I will send you a free gift. I can't wait to see the success, hear about the success, all the wonderful things that are going to happen now that we are all working our business together. Can't wait to hear your stories. And for those who ask the question about, I don't have 2 hours every single week, it's okay. Do what you can. If you need to only do appointments once every other week, or just simply 2 appointments a month period, you do what you can possibly do. Either way it goes, doing something is better than nothing, and you are still going to see some results. So can't wait to hear all about it. I'll see you in the next step.